Hi everyone, welcome back to YouTube. You're here, you're awesome, you made this is a fun place to be. I'm your friend and host, Dan Compton, and welcome back to Inspiring. So, a really good episode for you guys today. But before we get started, I noticed that last week there was a powerful, strong energy surge in the YouTube grid, and apparently my subscriber count went raising the roof again. So, let's see what we got this time. Let's see what we have this time. What do we got? Whoa! Oh my goodness! Cut! We're now at 20k subscribers. This is incredible. You guys are amazing. So I want to thank you all so much for making this channel alive. Dazzling Starman is an amazing channel. I want to thank you all so much for watching my videos every week and liking my videos and all my content. You guys are amazing. You are incredible. You guys are the reason why I love doing what I do all the time. So I want to thank you all so much for giving this channel, Dazzling Starman, 20,000 subscribers. You are incredible. So now, we have an amazing episode for you guys today. So, as you remember from last week, you saw an amazing Halloween Boo to You Halloween parade from Disney World. So I thought it'd be cool to show you the awesome Disney Halloween fireworks. That's right, folks. It's time I show you the awesome Disney Not So Spooky Spectacular Fireworks Show from the Mickey's Not So Scary Halloween Party. So, during the Halloween fireworks show, you're going to be seeing the awesome Jack Skellington, the Pumpkin King, in the beginning and the near end of the show in front of the castle as well during the fireworks show. It's awesome. Alright guys, so that being said, let's go to Magic Kingdom again in front of the castle. Let's enjoy the awesome Disney Not So Spooky Spectacular Fireworks Show from the Mickey's Not So Scary Halloween Party. Hope you enjoy, guys. And hope you enjoy playful tricks and frightful treats as well.
We manifest before you in a blaze of ghoulish delight. In order for you to fully experience tonight's presentation, the lighting around Magic Kingdom will be reduced. For your own safety and the safety of those around you, we ask that you remain in the same location until the lighting returns to normal. And be sure to keep an eye out. After all, you never know what fun may happen on Halloween. Disney's Not So Spooky Spectacular begins.
The story that you are about to be told is one for both the young and the old. Unlike anything you've ever seen. Get ready, for this is Halloween!
It's wonderful to have you here. For I, Jack Skellington, have a tale to tell. Yes, Halloween is a night filled with surprises. Playful tricks, frightful treats. Why, anything can happen on Halloween, as some friends found out on a night much like this one. Oh, but I'm getting ahead of myself. Oh, Zero! Here, boy! Zero! Where is that dog? Ah, there you are, Zero. It's time now to take our friends on a Halloween adventure. One they'll not soon forget.
Trick or treat, trick or treat, trick or treat for Halloween. Better get that treat that's good to eat if you want to eat. read. Trick or treat, trick or treat, trick or treat, trick or treat. There's no fuss. Pick is one you'll find misunderstood. You better sweet silence.
Oh, Mickey, I just love trick-or-treating. All the costumes.
And the candy.
Oh boy, this is gonna be fun. Scary? Well, maybe more not so scary, Donald. Let's go!
Trick or treat, trick or treat, trick or treat. All right. So it goes and goblins by the store. Ring a bell on the front door. These things your nightmares will come true. Trick or treat.
Hey, look! A dog!
It's a ghost dog.
His collar says 0.
I think Zero wants us to follow him into that house.
Oh, I don't know, pals. That house doesn't look very inviting.
This house is spooky.
Goofy, stop shaking.
I'm not shaking.
Well, if that's not you, then who is it?
Nope, they're just a bunch of funny bones.
That music, it's so familiar.
It's coming from behind that door. Ghosts! A ghost masquerade! get it.
This place isn't so spooky after all.
Yikes!
What's happening?
Now it's getting scary.
Well, what have we here? You're in our world now, and it's Oogie's turn to boogie.
Hey, we dance, we kiss, we schmooze, we carry on, we go home happy. What do you say?
It's time Ursula took this party into her own tentacles.
Still you can get us out? Follow that dog. Come on!
Look, there's the way out.
We made it!
Thanks, Zero.
That was fun.
The best Halloween ever! Come on, gang! Let's go! Trick or treat! Trick or treat! Trick or treat for Halloween!
What a perfect Halloween tale, filled with playful tricks and frightful treats, just as I promised. And Zero, you were very helpful indeed. You see, my friends, with a lot of adventure and a bit of fright, Halloween is the greatest of nights. Happy Halloween!
Dearest trick-or-treaters, we thank you for joining us for Disney's Not-So-Spooky Spectacular as you carry on with your evening.
Oh, hey guys, welcome back. We hope you enjoyed that awesome Disney Not So Sweet Spectacular Fireworks show. It was amazing and so awesome for us. How cool was it? You got to see Jack Skellington, the Pumpkin King, literally in front of the castle during the fireworks show. It was filled with playful tricks and frightful treats as well. Ooh! Plus, how awesome was it? You got to see Zero guiding Mickey and all of his friends while trick-or-treating as well during the fireworks show. It was awesome. Alright guys, well, that's all the time we have today, but so before we go, How about we take a look at the strike count yet again, shall we? As you know, we have 20,000. As you know, we got 20,000 subscribers. But what do we have this time now? Let's see. Awesome! We're now at 20.2k subscribers. We are looking good, everyone. So everybody, I want you all to please keep telling your friends, keep telling everyone you know, all of your hometown, your schools, even your neighborhoods, to subscribe to my channel, Dan Star, please, and be sure to please hit the like button right here on Dan Star, please. So remember to hit like and subscribe to Dan Star, please. And remember, keep doing what you're doing and keep spreading the word, telling your friends all the time to subscribe to my channel, Dan Star, please. So, thank you all for joining me, and I will see you this Halloween, this Thursday, for an awesome special Halloween edition, because this is a really special one, because this is our 5th annual Halloween edition on Jam Starman. This is going to be happening right on Halloween Day, this Thursday. So you're not going to want to miss this, and I want you to stay tuned for this awesome special Halloween edition. So, thank you all for joining me, I'll see you this Thursday for Halloween. Until then, I'm Dan Compton, and Dan Starman, everybody. Thank you all very much, and I'll see you next time. Have a nice day, enjoy yourself, guys.